In critical operational environments such as precision manufacturing, data centers, or cold chain storage, even a brief power interruption of a few seconds can lead to scrapped products, data loss, or equipment damage, resulting in significant financial losses. Consequently, achieving rapid power supply transfer has become a core requirement for modern enterprise power security. To address this need, Ryzen Energy offers two grid or off-grid transition solutions, both capable of automatic mode switching within 20 milliseconds, delivering a true zero-perception outage experience. First, we introduce the seamless STS Cabinet, available in 250 kilowatts and 500 kilowatts ratings. It supports the parallel connection of multiple energy storage systems to match your facility's load scale. With an IP55 protection rating, the STS Cabinet is suitable for outdoor installation, boasting a transfer efficiency exceeding 99.5%, which is particularly suited for large-scale factories, data centers, and other scenarios demanding ultra-high power continuity. The second option is the automatic grid or off-grid transfer box, rated at 430 kilowatts. This product is more compact, easy to install, and cost-effective. With an IP20 rating, it is specifically designed for indoor use, making it a cost-efficient choice for small and medium C&I applications. Both solutions integrate seamlessly with the Icon energy storage system, enabling fully automatic operation, ensuring continuous and stable power for critical loads such as precision equipment, production lines, and cold chain systems. If you are facing challenges with power interruptions, or wish to get more about technical details and selection guidance, please feel free to contact us. We will provide a tailored power security solution for your specific needs.